Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives. We're gonna solve a case and learn all the lessons. Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives. We're gonna solve a case and learn all the lessons.
Hello, my little learning detectives. I hope everyone is doing well today. So, I thought, since I really want you to write more, that we would talk about pronouns. What do pronouns do? Pronouns take the place of a noun. Well, then what is a noun? You remember. Akira, can you tell me what a noun is? Julio? Okay. What about Markel? So a noun is a person, place, or thing. Alicia, can you tell me a noun? Damian, what about you? Okay, Micaiah, you give me one. All right, so a noun is a person, place, or thing. So if I said boy, that's a noun. Girl, that's a noun. Teacher, that's a noun. Book, that's a noun. Okay. All right. So what do we need pronouns for? Well, do you want to keep saying the boy, the boy, the boy?
The girl, the girl, the girl.
The book, the book, the book. No. Here is a way that you can use a pronoun to take the place of a noun. The boy is looking. He is looking. He took the place of boy. The girl is wearing a hat. She is wearing a hat. She took the place of the noun. So listen to the little song to tell you the pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. And what does a pronoun do? A pronoun takes the place of a noun. All right, so let's see how it can really spice up your sentences. So, I can say, Mrs. Anderson, I'm speaking of myself, Mrs. Anderson is standing on the porch. I am standing on the porch. Now, I don't know if you can see it or not, but speaking of the weather, it is raining. So what kind of weather are we having? It's a rainy day. It is a rainy day. Let's just pretend that I can see you. You, the person watching the video. You are standing, or you are sitting. You has taken the place of your name. I don't know who you are because I don't know who's watching, but you are watching the video. Okay. Listen to the sounds of the birds. They sound beautiful. Okay. My son and I are walking. We, get closer. We are walking. We is the pronoun. He is jogging. You see? Oh, look at it. The deer is walking. It is crossing the road. Deer. The deer is eating. It is hungry. Look at that beautiful deer. Wow. Uh-oh.
Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives. We're gonna solve the case and learn all the lessons. Mrs. Anderson's learning detectives.